Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the channel. It's another video and hope you guys are doing great. If today is your first time of seeing this channel, thanks for clicking on it. Today I share with you how Ghanaians make their fufu, the authentic way of making Ghana fufu. So guys, let's not waste time. Let's get into the video. So with this, I will need two ingredients. That's my fresh cassava and plantain. And I started by first peeling the cassava, and after that I will also peel the plantain. I want to use this opportunity to thank my new and returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the love, for always watching my video, for always commenting. I do appreciate it a lot and I love you guys so much. Thank you. So please stay tuned and watch this video. Okay guys, after peeling both the cassava and the plantain, this is hot I had, so I'll just wash and put them in my pot. Add some salt, which is optional, you can omit the salt, and also add some water. Then put this on the fire to cook for some minutes. Checking on the cassava, I will just take some and check how soft it is, and as you can see, this looks very soft. I will take it off from the fire and let it cool for some few minutes before pounding. At this point, my mom and brother are the one doing the work over here, so she started pounding the plantain first, and it is also advisable to pound them separately if your cassava is not all that good. So you can see she's just flipping the plantain to each other in order to make sure she gets a smooth, soft and sticky dough. So guys, just see how soft the plantain is. She will remove it from the mortar and then start pounding the cassava too. And if you are still watching this video up to this time, please give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. So you can see the cassava is so smooth. She went ahead to add the plantain, then pound the two together. Okay, fam, our plantain and cassava fufu is almost done. So you can also use cassava and cocoyam and even yam to make your fufu. How do you make your fufu? Let me know in the comment section below and how soft you want it to be. I pair this with light soup. You can pair this fufu with any soup, whether being palm nut, groundnut soup, any soup of your choice you can pair with this food. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, share this video. Till I come your way again, see you in my next video. Please enjoy the rest of the video.